Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. A very much needed update on Agix. All right, wanted to give you my thoughts on this. We just had a bullish breakout, or actually yesterday evening we already had a bullish breakout, but had some major volatility obviously this morning with the small flush we had. Bit of a drop ultimately right now. Just to keep it short, Agix is very bullish, all right? AI coins are still popping off. If you look at the top gainers today, you see coins like Arweave, which is a little bit of an affiliation, but also Fetch AI, Agix, Filecoin, which you could link to it, not really. But GRT, for example, Render, a lot of bullish momentum across the board because of AI. There's some positive news about AI, which I haven't read into too much, so I'm not going to talk too much about that, but it is the case. So altogether, at this moment, Agix is very, very bullish. But at the same point of time, we're also at $1, all right, which we're almost going into price discovery mode, where we're heading for prices which we have never seen before. Personally, I like Singularitynet a lot, all right. I think this market cap could even still be a 10x from here if AI really keeps popping off. And it's also not completely price discovery mode still, because it actually launched at $1.5. I would say $1.5 is ultimately our price target, but on the short term we have to look a little bit closer. So yeah, purely technically, like I said, if you look at Agix right now, I think the moves are a bit weird, like especially right here, last week Wednesday, but also in between. Agix is just really spiking up and down quite a bit. Which I don't like to see, especially not if it's in combination with a lot of volume coming from sources which I don't like CTEX, like Pionex, like WebC, like BitThumb. So there's probably some manipulation going on, so I would be careful with Agix. I would almost say it's better to have a look at Fetch. Maybe that's a little bit less manipulated. But still, I mean, even though I do think that there's manipulation going on, I don't think it matters too much in these markets, all right? And in general, the entire market is manipulated. And Agix, what's also true is that most of the volume is still coming from reputable sources, all right? So yeah, if I purely look at the technicals, I would say, all right, $1 is a strong resistance level, so maybe we'll consolidate a little bit under there on top of our main support level at 85 cents. But ultimately, we'll break above that to rally up to our next price target at a psychological level at $1.25, which is also supported by some Fibonacci extension levels, by the way. So that's in general my price target, and then it's 1.5, 1.6, all right? So those are my two price targets, and at this moment I do expect those levels, all right? I know that those levels are quite far away from where we are right now, but I expect the market to stay bullish. I expect the AI sector to stay bullish. So yeah, that's in general what I expect. Now, on the short term, though, if we look at Agix, and what we have to think of is that at this moment, the open interest is increasing, all right? So we're still gaining momentum, and there's a lot of spot buys. So I would say that it is most likely that we'll sooner rather than later break above $1 and rally up to 1.25. And, well, 1.2, 1.25, all right? That's what I think is most likely, but you do need to be careful, all right? If you look at the funding rates, and if you don't know, then now you do, hopefully. If you look at the funding rates across the board, they're quite high, all right? So what that means is that in between this move, we might get some big spikes down. Like we could spike all the way down to 75, potentially even 65 cents. And from current levels, that's a drop between 25 and 35%. So something like that could happen. Now, even if that happens, I would say that Agix, like it did this morning, will recover quickly, and that will be back up before you know. But be careful for that, all right? Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.